Hello everybody, my name's Peter. I'm from bobcadcam UK, and what I want to show you is a components or a mold tool that I've got on, and I've got it on different layers. You can see on the screen here I've got the mold tool set up, and what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to go onto my layer manager, which I've actually put onto this side over here. You can see there I've got the layer manager. I've also got the measure entity as well. I've got them set up on this side. You can see it go back, same as I've got this one set up on that side, and if I come back to the screen it goes back. So what I want to do is I want to look at the layer manager, so I'm just going to lock it in position, and you can see I've got all my layers and I've got all my components on different layers. So what I'm going to do now, if I just want to turn these off, I can just blank them or turn them off, and all we have to do is just check the box. So I've got a lifting strap on the back there, you can see the lifting strap. So if I just uncheck the box, you see it disappear, bring it back, disappear, bring it back. So I can undo that one or just blank it. Same with this one, turn the layer off. You can see me going through the tool. I can turn sprue bush off, spring washers, fixed half bolster. I can turn off the shut off pins, pushbacks and so on. So I can start turning my layers off for things that I'm not working on. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll work on the moving half, and you can see here we've got a 2-inch impression of a shoe on tool, and it's quite easy to modify if you want to do it yourself. You can modify these things. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go into here now, and on here I'm just going to create myself, add a new layer, and I'm just going to call that let's have a look, let's call that 50, and if I just check onto that layer there, that layer is now active anyway, so but that's the layer I want to put it on. So all I have to do, if I want to select this, if I go into here, I can either use the selection key up here, which is my selection mode, or on the screen I can just right click, select, and then all it's going to ask me to do is go over here. All I need to do then is left click the model, and then if I come back to the screen you see it's gone red. So all I'm going to do now is right click, and then what I'm going to do is going to modify. I'm actually going to modify it and put it on the new layer which I've created there at 50. If I go down there you'll see 50, select OK, select OK, and we've got what we want there. So if I just move that up there, I can turn that layer on or off. You can see it. Of course this layer won't have the moving half, so I can just go into it, and if I wanted to just delete that layer, and I've deleted that layer, so now I would have it on. It's now on that one there. I could also modify the colour if I wanted to by just into my selection mode, which is already active. So all I need to do is left click on there, come back over here, you can see it's turned red. So what I want to do now, right click and come down, modify attributes. I'm going to change the colour of it. I'm now going to make it yellow, and you can see I've now created it yellow. So if you want to create different layers in Bobcad and change the different colours, etc., this is how you would do it. Hopefully that helps you get started, and thank you for watching.